Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we are going to enter in another group build. Yes, getting into another group build. This one is hosted by JT over at I Need My Garage Time. And his group build is 50s and 60s on Steelies. That's such a cool idea. I love it. You know, there's so many group builds going on out there right now. You just kind of pick and choose which one you want to get into. I'm trying to limit myself. This will make group build number 3 for me. I'm doing one with Dave over at Woody's Garage and one over at Blue Ox from Jason's channel. So like I say, now I'm going to do one for JT. So I'm limiting myself. That's it for now. Unless somebody comes up with another really cool one, I might jump in on it. Time permitting, if there's enough time. So yeah, so go check out his channel and go get in on this. So I am entering the 67 Mercury Comet Cyclone GT by AMT. I have not yet built this kit. This one is still in the plastic, unharmed, unscathed. Yeah, so we'll give this a look here in a bit. I may go through the kit real quick here just to give it a look and see what's inside. See if anything's got any tires are molded to the windshield, all that fun stuff. And we'll go from there. So this is what I'm going to do. I figured let's make a nice steely car, make it a weekend warrior type thing. Yeah, really cool car. I got a couple of them on the shelf. I've had these for a long time. So I figured I'd get in and do that. So good stuff, good stuff. Like I say, this goes from September 1st, 2024 to March 1st of 2025. So you guys got lots of time to get in on it. Like I say, I'm going to limit myself to these. That's it. I got other builds on the table. I got some Mustangs to finish up, you know, over there. All that good stuff. We got shows coming up. So I got to get a few kits done that I'd like to get done to take to some of these upcoming shows and whatnot. And listen to those squeaky chair. So other than that, good stuff there. So speaking of cool builds and at the shows, I was honored to see my car was in the magazine. The new Auto Modelers magazine, that is. This magazine here, this is their new release. This is a new magazine. This is their first issue. Very cool book. You guys need to go pick one of these up. I got this one from Spotlight Hobbies, and really neat. There's a lot of cool issues, articles, all kinds of neat things in there. So I was shocked. I had a friend of mine get a hold of me, and he says, "Hey man, congratulations, your car's in the magazine." I'm like, "What magazine's that?" You know, so, and I thought, oh, and I was pretty amazed. I was pretty surprised. So my black '87 Thunderbird Turbo Coupe made the magazine from the Detroit show. There's a lot of guys in here I know that their cars are in here, and Chris from Raising Cranes Resin, his Mustang is in here as well. So Chris's car, if you guys were at the Detroit show, that looks really cool. He also did, this car was actually there. It was a 1-to-1 was there, and he replicated that and made 2 of them. So Chris does amazing 3D work, and obviously it shows in that build. So very cool. Highly recommend you guys get this magazine, you know, so you can check out my car. No, I'm teasing. But anyways, yeah, really neat book. And me personally, I like holding the book. I like to hold it in my hand, you know, like I can look back and read through it, whatever, versus a digital or on an iPad or whatever. I like this better. I don't know. It's not the same reading it on my phone or whatever. It's just, I like holding the book in my hand. I don't know. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's always that. It's cool that way. So yeah. So like I say, go down and check out JT's channel at I Need My Garage Time and get in on this group build. This is his first group build. So guys, give him some support on this. You know, get in on this. Like I say, I know there's a lot of group builds going on, but I thought this would be a pretty cool one, and I'm going to jump in on it and see what we can do with this little Mercury here and kind of go from there. So I think real quick, I'll take you to the bench, and we're going to open this up real fast. I'm not going to go through and like sift all the parts, but I just want to curious to see what it looks like. I'm sure it's a white body. Just make sure you know the windshield is intact and there's no tire melted through the body or something goofy like that. So I'll take you over the bench and take a quick peek at it and see what we got. Okay guys, over at the bench side, so we'll get this plastic off here so eliminate some glare for you. All right, we got a nice off-white paint, some kind of mediocre tires, which we're probably not going to use those. So let's get into this first. I'm just going to open this up real quick just to give a quick look through the plastic. I'm not going to go through the kit completely, just see what's in here. I've seen a few of these built online. A couple look pretty cool. But I'm always mainly to see with the body. How clean is this? Is there a lot of flash? Is there a lot of what have you? This looks pretty good. I'm liking it so far. Man, it is clean. Nice, 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 nice. I bet you the hood's going to fit good on this. I have a feeling it's going to. She's old. She got the old spots there. Yeah, so it looks good. Looks like it's already open, so real quick, just going to go through it. So this looks like a pretty cool build. We got our manual trans gear shift linkage there. So we got our engine, transmission, engine block. I seen a few of you guys on YouTube or on Facebook drilling out the holes, putting them on engine stands, putting lifters on. That is cool. I mean, this would be a cool one to do that to right there. Man, that's a cool idea. I like it. So other than that, we got some rear axle parts. We got our Ford 9-inch there. A little bit of interior parts and our interior panels. I like they give you a separate panel, a little easier detail. We got that cool hood. This hood was fiberglass originally. My brother actually had one of these cars. He bought it and was going to get it fixed up. It was red with black stripes on it. Never did get it going or finish it. Had black interior. It was kind of cool looking. I was always going to do kind of a tribute build to that car, you know, for him. But you know how that goes. I didn't, and never happened. So we got a little bit of red taillights there. The glass just sitting on its own. We got a little bit of discrepancy here. Not bad. Like I say, I might make this into a street machine type thing, like a street burner. So I may tint those. I'm not sure yet. A little Tamiya clear smoke, that is. So we got a chrome. This looks pretty nice. Real nice chrome detail. There's no Steelies in this kit, but we will put some on it. There's plenty of 3D resin parts out there to make that happen. So our decal sheet, because I probably will decal this. And we got the blueprinter. Subscribe to the blueprinter. Is that even around anymore? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that is. Is that like a drag thing? Like Enter the Drag Show? Maybe the camera will pick it up because I can't read it. I need my I don't have my glasses on. Yeah, so there we have that. We got some New Mexico license plates, all that good fun stuff. So very cool. So I like we got some stripe options. Gives you kind of different options of what color you want to paint it. Typical AMT instructions, yada yada yada. Like I say, I'm not going to go through the whole thing. I'm just kind of curious what's all in the box and kind of show you guys also that this is a straightforward, untouched, unharmed kit and all that good stuff. So yep, AMT. We've seen it before. Okay, there we go. All right, guys. That's what we're entering in is the Cyclone GT67 by Mercury. That's what's going in on the build. So go check out JT's channel. Get in on this and all that good stuff. And also check out Hobby Nut Models. There'll be a link in the description below for Hobby Nut as well. Mark's got a bunch of new kits in. So go check that out. So once again, guys, thanks for checking out the channel and following along. And we will see you guys on the next build. You guys have a good one. And thanks for watching.